Hello and thanks for tuning in. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to make a spicy Thai style chicken stir fry. This recipe is perfect for fans of spicy stir fry dishes, using fresh peppercorn and chilies to provide a good amount of heat and a mixture of sauces, lime leaves and basil to provide flavour. As with all stir fry recipes, once you have done the preparation work, the actual cooking is very straightforward and the whole recipe should be ready in under 15 minutes including prep. Lots of fresh ingredients are used that might be hard for some people to get hold of, so you could always cheat by freezing them so that they last longer. We bought lots of fresh peppercorn on our last trip to the Asian store and found that it kept really well in the freezer. So on screen now are the ingredients. As always, a full list of the ingredients is available on our blog post. A link to that will be in the description box just below this video. Okay, so let's get started. Begin by adding 2 cloves of garlic and 3 red bird eye chilies to a mortar and pestle and crush into a paste. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a wok on a high heat, then add the paste that we just made and fry it for about 20 seconds. Then add 250 grams of sliced chicken breast and stir fry for about 1 minute. Follow by adding 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 sliced red chilies, a quarter cup of sliced green beans, 4 sliced crachai roots, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh peppercorn to the wok. Then tear up 4 pairs of kaffir lime leaves and add them to the wok too. Stir fry everything for about 2 to 3 minutes, and as the stir fry begins to dry, add about 1 tablespoon of water and continue stir frying for a couple of minutes more until the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, add a quarter cup of basil leaves, stir in and then serve and enjoy. This dish pairs really well with some steamed jasmine rice as well as sticky rice. And it's as simple as that. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did and you would like to see lots more Thai and Asian inspired recipes, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're releasing new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So thanks once again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again on the next video.